Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You'll start by opening your image and making sure the target layer is editable. Unlock it if it's a background layer. Next, select the Magic Eraser tool from the Eraser group. Use the keyboard shortcut or click the toolbar. Set a low sample tolerance initially so you can see how it behaves. Lower tolerance removes colors very similar to the clicked pixel. Once done, click an area to remove contiguous pixels of similar color and observe what disappears to guide your next adjustments. Now refine how aggressive the Magic Eraser is by changing tolerance. Set values between 10 and 50 depending on color variance. Make sure contiguous is checked if you only want connected areas removed, or uncheck it to clear all matching colors across the image. Use opacity to soften removal if you need partial transparency. If the result overcleans, immediately press undo and lower tolerance, or switch to a smaller eraser brush to manually repair edges. This back and forth is normal for clean results. Finish by cleaning edges with a soft brush eraser set to around 50% opacity. You'll blend jagged areas gently and preserve natural transitions. For non-destructive edits, add a layer mask and paint black to hide or white to reveal. This gives precise control after the Magic Eraser. When satisfied, make sure transparent areas look correct against a checkerboard, then export as PNG to keep transparency. Troubleshooting tip: if halos or artifacts appear, undo, lower.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.